transportation around the world. Every city around the world has an important transport system. It helps locals and tourists travel around the city. Some of these transport systems are a little bit more impressive than others. Let's look at 2 examples. Almaty Metro. One of the most amazing sights in Almaty is the impressive metro system. It opened in December 2011, and it is a fast, cheap and convenient way to move around Almaty, especially during the winter when temperatures often drop below -10. Each station of the metro is unique, with beautiful mosaic and stained glass artworks. It's the cheapest way to travel through the city. London Black Cab. One of the most famous sights of London is the Black Cab. These taxis have carried passengers around London for a long time. Every black cab driver must pass a special test called the Knowledge before they get a licence. To pass, they must learn every single street in London. That's more than 25,000 streets. Although they're quite expensive, you know you'll get to your destination as fast as possible. What do you think of the Almaty Metro and the black cabs of London? What transport do you take when you visit a city?